Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix calls disconnecting automatically on any Samsung phone. Now in today's video, I will give you a few methods to fix this issue. Now the first method is to take out your SIM card and insert it back in. Now to do that, just use the SIM ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any SIM ejection tool. Now just insert the SIM ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole. Then take out your SIM card. Now just check if the SIM cards are inserted properly in your SIM card tray. Now once you do that, just insert the SIM card tray back into your smartphone. Now for the second method, just open the control center and tap on airplane mode. Now just wait for 5 to 6 seconds, then disable airplane mode. And check if this fixes your issue. Now for the third method, just open the dialer and tap on the three dots and select settings. Then go to supplementary services, then tap on call bearing. Now from here, just go to voice calls. Now if there is any option enabled from here, just disable it. Now just go back and do the same in video calls. Now for the fourth method, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to apps and tap on the three lines from here. Now just enable show system apps. And in the search bar, just search SIM toolkit. Now just tap on SIM toolkit. Then go to storage. Now just select clear cache. Now go back and select the other SIM toolkit. Go to storage and select clear cache. Once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. In your app drawer, you will find the SIM toolkit of the SIM cards which you have on your smartphone. Now I currently have 2 SIM cards in my smartphone. That is why I have 2 SIM toolkit on my smartphone. Now just tap and hold on the SIM toolkit and tap on the eye icon. Then go to storage and select clear cache. Now go back and select the SIM toolkit of the other SIM card if you have 2 SIM cards in your smartphone. Then tap on the eye icon, select storage, and select clear cache. Now once you do that, just reboot your smartphone. To do that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now just select restart. As you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix call disconnecting automatically on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.